Let's make paper stars today. You can use any paper you want. Either you can go for origami paper, chart paper, or you can use this quilling paper. Okay, the quilted paper or this quilling paper, small sheets, you can get it from the local stationery. Ask them for the quilling paper sheets and they will give it to you. Okay, so for making a star, what we need to do is make a simple knot on your paper. And if you don't have this quilling paper, there is no issue. You can either take any chart paper and cut a 1-inch strip from that paper. Make sure to take a long strip. Okay, see, this is our first knot. So this is how we make a knot, and this extra one we just tuck it inside from the back side. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides with us. So now gently wrap it around. Okay, this is the first wrap we make. Make sure to have your edges with you and just go around from the other side. And just gently go around from the other side. Again we will go around from this side like this way. Make sure to cover all the sides and you just wrap it around. Make sure you have your 5 sets intact with you. So then hold it out, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 with you. Okay, now I'm coming on this side. So again I'm going to just wrap it around from here. Again I'm gonna wrap it around from here. Just go with the flow and just wrap it around. Once you're toward the end, take the final inch and just tuck it inside the paper. Okay, and just pull through, and if the paper is remaining on the other side, just tuck it again inside and make sure you have a clear edge with you. So you need to have some amount of nail with you on your fingers, so it will help easier for you to tuck it inside. Or if you're not able to tuck it inside, you can just cut the extra paper with the help of your hand. Okay, so now you have 5 sides with you. Now what you need to do is gently press on each side. Gently press. See, our one side is ready. Then gently press the other side. Gently press the other side and gently press the other side. So now you have your star with you. So you can make with different colors. I have made with yellow. You can go for any color you want. I have this black which I made from the tinted paper, and this I made from the regular printer paper, and like that way you can make many stars. And you can either make a bracelet out of it, just pull a string through it, or you can just make out any shapes on a piece of paper and arrange it, so you have your 3D art with you. Thank you.